number of you have already asked me na itopic ko daw tong isang super grabe talaga guys. Like, na-impress talaga ako sa baba ng interest. Legit talaga siya. Wala na tayong paligoy-ligoy pa. Yung pag-uusapan natin is yung kaka-launch lang na loan program, cash loan program para sa mga members for as long as you meet certain qualifications. Sabi ko, mahihirapan ako niyan guys dahil hindi po ako active na Pag-ibig member. And you only have until September 2026 to apply for this loan. And i-share ko rin sa inyo kung paano siya applyan because medyo matrabaho lang siya guys ha, pero it's doable. Pwede ka mag-apply through virtual Pag-ibig, pwede ka rin pumunta ng branch at mag-submit ng application form. So, pwede rin mag-apply yung representative mo basta meron ding nami-meet na certain requirements. One time. Once lang ha. So, hindi ka pwedeng renew dito. Isang beses ka lang mag-a-apply nito. Para sa mga miyembro na nangangailangan ng financial assistance, it's open to all members. Pero, syempre, meron pong requirements which we will get to later. You can choose between 1, 2, and 3 years. Tapos yung pagbabayad may sisimula on the 4th month. So, say for example, marirelease yung loan mo ngayon, yung 10,000, hindi ka pa kaagad magbabayad next month. So, 4th month ka pa magbabayad. O, saan ka pa makakahanap nun? May option ka magbayad 1, 2, 3. At kung sakali man, di ka nakapagpili ng term upon application, yung default or automatic na ma-apply is 2 years. 5.95% yung annual interest nito. 5.95 annual! Mas mababa pa to guys kaysa sa bangko. Yung mga pwedeng mag-apply ay yung mga active. Sabi ko nga hindi ko na sana ito-topic to kasi to be honest, hindi ako active. Pero mamaya na natin pag-usapan yan. Active Pag-ibig members na may hindi bababa ng 12 months na hulog sa kanilang Pag-ibig regular savings, pang groceries, ang pantawid, whatever your needs are, you can borrow up to 10,000 pesos or 90% ng savings mo na contribute mo bale dito. Pero maximum yung 10. Kung say for example, yung total contributions or your total member savings mo ay nasa 5,000, yung maaari mong i-loan ay 4,500. Hindi pwedeng maka 10,000 ka kung yung savings mo ay ganyan lang. 10,000 po yung maximum. So kung kayo ay active member, you meet all requirements, then go. Malaking tulong to. Napakagaan siyang bayaran. So what I did was, kasi wala namang access sa Pag-ibig account ko. Ngayon lang talaga ako nagbumawa ng account guys kasi ang sayang kapag hindi ka makaka-access sa mga ganito. Iba talaga kapag si government yung yung nagpapautang. Anyways, bago ako mag-continue sa calculation or computation, ito po yung mga topics natin. And why not? Dapat pinag-uusapan din yung mga ganitong mga loans because we're talking about options, di ba? If may need, di ba, sayang yung mga ganitong mga benefits. The way this video is not sponsored. And I also remember a time when I was working for a project with Union Bank, yung nagre-release kami ng e-card dati. Meron silang one-time loan din na pa 5,000 sa mga members. And that time, malaki na yun All you need to do is just activate your card. And pwede ka na kaagad makapag-loan ng 5,000, open to all members. At napakagaan bayaran. Sabi ko parang ganun din. So, sayang talaga kapag hindi ka nakapag-avail ng ganitong serbisyo from the government dahil napakababa. Wala ka nang ibang makikitang sobrang babang interest. Even banks cannot beat this. Na Gemini AI ko na po yung calculation dahil para hindi na tayo mahirapan, no? But to give us an idea, say for example, 10,000 pesos, pagkatapos babayaran mo ng 1 year or 12 months, 860 po yung magiging monthly mo. And after 1 year, yung interest, yung napunta sa interest is 325.21. Oh, diba? Talo na yung OLA nito. Sana tuloy-tuloy. Kaso, once lang to guys. One time lang. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-renew, okay? Then kung 2 years naman, so magiging monthly mo is 442.98. Kung 3 years naman, 303.99. But that's just a calculation based on the interest. Hindi ko pa alam yung mga processing fee na yan. But we have confidence naman na itong si Pag-ibig, wala namang ikakaltas na 35%. Wala naman siguro mga additional services na ipapatong tulad ng mga OLA dyan. So, okay na okay po itong si Pag-ibig. And this is kung nasa 10,000 ka. Kasi kung mas lower yung amount na na-borrow mo, syempre, obviously, mas mababa rin yung magiging monthly mo. So, yung 12 months, medyo malaki yung monthly payments, pero makakatipid ka naman sa interest. Doon ko actually nakuha yung details from Pag-ibig and from Inquirer.net and from the Pag-ibig website itself. And since wala naman akong virtual Pag-ibig up to now, actually, kaka-register ko lang, kaka-create ko lang ng account, guys. And I'll get my number 2 business days after pa. So, wala akong access sa virtual Pag-ibig. But, meron akong dating contributions when I was still employed. Pero, I don't think I'm qualified. But, it's not a reason para hindi ko to i-share, no? So, ayun nga, sinilip ko rin yung application form kasi I believe na kung mag-online application ka, it's going to ask for the same information. Again, part din ng application process is dapat may dala kang valid ID. Valid ID kailangan. Yung mga valid IDs are the same valid IDs na pwedeng gamitin kapag nag-apply ka na dito, and the list of valid IDs are here. This loan program is available to all members, pero there are additional requirements. Say, for example, any Pag-ibig Fund member who satisfies the following requirements. Well, first of all, you should have made at least 12 months na monthly membership savings. Dapat active ka rin na nagsisave. So, hindi talaga ako pwede dito, guys. And kung meron ka mga existing na short-term loan, the account must not be in default. So, dapat hindi ka na OD para mag-qualify kung meron ka mga existing loan dito and has sufficient proof of income. Okay. Kahit na si Pag-ibig humihingi ng proof of income. So, kailangan talaga, guys, na may valid ID at may proof of income. Ingay ng aso ko, guys, dahil gabi ko na ginawa yung video na to. Sorry po dyan. So, there are many ways to na ma-receive yung loan. It could be through the membership loyalty card, land bank, payroll, credit system, yung ganon. And meron din silang acceptable modes of payment. And once approve ka, yung application mo, you will receive a text message or for further instructions or notification from Pag-ibig. Napakadali, guys. All you need to do is just check the application form and see if you have all the info na kailangan ni Pag-ibig. So, alam ko na hindi ako qualified. Pero sayang kasi napakababa po ng kanyang interest. So, what I did was, as mentioned kanina, kaya tuloy, create ako ng account dito kay Pag-ibig. And napakadali na naman kasi I used lang my national ID to create an account, and then nag-supply ako ng information. And I think mas madali siya kaysa sa SSS. And after all those steps, nag-liveliness check ako. Buti na lang okay din yung camera ng laptop. And then nag-selfie. Pwede mong i-upload yung picture ng valid ID mo. And magsi-selfie ka. So, nag-picture ako sa cellphone, selfie na may hawak na valid ID. Tapos in-upload ko sa virtual Pag-ibig na form. Pero hindi ko pa syempre mabubuksan. Hindi pa rin ako makakapag-apply dahil yun nga, kaka-create ko lang ng account. At meron din nakalagay dito ha, kasi kasi until September 2026 pa naman to. A member who does not meet the required 12 MS monthly savings may nevertheless be allowed to avail of a safe loan provided that the accumulated savings is at least equivalent to 12 MS based on the rate applicable to the member. So, babalitaan ko kayo, guys, kapag active na yung aking account sa Pag-ibig, kung makakahabol ako, at least makapag-share ako ng more details about this. So, yun lang yung masashare ko, and I hope hindi pa ako, I hope meron kayo natutunan. And check nyo if pwede kayo, you still have until September 8, 2026 para mag-avail nito. Sayang kasi, guys, sayang. Sobrang baba ng interest at napaka-magaan siyang bayaran compared sa mauwi tayo sa OLA. Use it wisely, guys, ha, kasi once lang po to, and even if mababa yung interest, but still, it is an obligation. So, yun lang, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next vlog. Bye-bye!